So guys, I am Raz. My channel name is Dasawar Tech. So this video of our channel is very important for every person because they can take a small amount of time, but they can engage you a huge data. Because we can making this type of video for you, and they can instructor data. Structural data mean you can to learn, you can to beneficial that, and you can to have invite as a manager. They can be studied how they are the possibility working. Make sure to learn, you can to inhale your data. But guys, if you can to learn, you can to publish. Guys, you can to inhale in background area. If the background can be restricted, you cannot make to affiliate here. If you can affiliate working, so you can do probably in the data interrogative overview. So now we can study about overview. Database integrated refer to the consistency of data, and they can portfolio using Azure Tech. So this type of tech you can to learn their backgrounding area, because of we can to inhale, and we can to also engaging our data in one time. Because of none of the working RP is casualty, because of the dot moving can be restricted here. Guys, everything on else you can to learn, and the basic of your data you can do manual here. Another database protection can protect our data, and the Romeo can be structural data. Main forces are using on that, but in cases you can to learn the backgrounding area. Make sure if you have any type of issue on your backgrounding, you can ask me anytime. The implication of your welling data, security involve protecting of data and authorized unstructured data. Integrity concerned with the quality and the beneficial quality on that. If you use the unstructured quality of your data, you cannot automatically consider as expressed in the certain of your considered data permitted in violate. There are two major most important constraint of database, and entity integrity as a constraint of a primary state due to attribute, and primary should contain nulls. Referral integrity is a constraint of origin key value that states if your origin key exists in a relation, and you can to either origin key value must by the primary key value of some input and output devices. The origin can be structural main forces on background area if you cannot use to perform and prohibited area. Normalization. The normalization is a process of converting complex data structure into sample and stable data structure. Is a based on the analysis of a functional dependence. So they are functional dependence and the inhale your independence area. But some cases we cannot know how they are independent. In other words, normalization is a technique for review the entity attribute list of an ensure attribute is stored where they are long as the basis of a relational database system. In practice, is a simply is an applied common sense more formally states in the process of analyzing independence and attributes within entity and attributes on the checked constantly against three sets of rules, making adjustment when necessary to output entity and the functional form. First, we discuss the functional dependence. A functional dependence is the presence relationship between attribute from the relation R to A. All the things are should clear in this topic. If you have any type of issue, issue, you can ask me in inbox, and I will input your data, and I will solve all the problems on that. So meet in new video with new criteria with new formalization. Next time you can do technique on that.